Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, starting with the great name of Allah, who's the Rahman and Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear sir. Here I'm Fiza Rajpur, class B.Ed 1.5, roll number 22, subject Research Method in Education from Department of Faculty of Education. So this PPT is submitted to Dr. Amjad Ali Arain. Today my presentation topic is identification and sources of research problem. So first of all, I will explain what is research problem. A research problem is a question that a research wants to answer or a problem that a researcher wants to solve. In research problem, research topic must be very clear and easy to understand. It should not distract people. If a topic is well defined, it is only way to successful research. The topic should not create doubt and double impression. So in research problem, easy language is a key of success. So it means use technical word. Now identification of research problem. Identification of research problem is the first step. Generally a broad area is selected and then it is delimited or narrowed down to a specific one sentence statement of the problem. Now the common sources of research problem. First one is personal experience. So it means day-to-day experience of the researcher serve is a good source of ideas to formulate research problem. Second one is practical experiences. Researcher get plenty of ideas to formulate research problem from their practical experiences. It means every curious research has several questions to be answered that are encountered during practical experiences. Now third one is critical appraisal of literature. When we critically study books and articles relating to the subject of our interest, including research report, opinion articles, pertinent questions may arise in our mind. Fourth one is previous research. A body of knowledge should be developed on a sound foundation of research findings. It means usually at the end of a research, further research problems are suggested based on shortcoming of previous research which can be investigated. Fifth one is existing theories. Research is a process of theory developed and theory testing. Researchers use many theories from other disciplines in their practices. If an existing theory is used in developing a researchable problem, a specific statement from the theory must be isolated. Sixth one is consumer feedback. Research problem may be generated from the results of activities aimed to solicit patient feedback. Seventh one, performance improvement activities. In the process of performance activities, several issues merge that requires answer through research. Thus, performance improvement activities also serve as an important source of research problem. 8.1 Social issues. Sometimes topics are suggested by more global, contemporary social or political issues of relevance to the education. Second last is brainstorming. Brainstorming sessions are good technique to find new suggestion where an intensified discussion among interested people of the profession is conducted to find more ideas to formulate a good research problem. The last one is institutions. So traditionally institutions are considered good source of knowledge as well as source to find new research problems. This is all about common sources of research problem. So thank you so much.